Ladies and gentlemen, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Today you see me with my DIY shirt on, and so you know what that means. Look at my hair. It is filthy and it needs a deep cleaning. Hi, I'm HealyMeans. Welcome and welcome back to my channel where we judge products, not people. I previously mixed up some of my Detox hair mask, and I'll pop the video up here somewhere just showing how I mixed it together, and it looks like this. It is a combination of activated charcoal, white kale and clay, calcium bentonite clay, and zeolite clay. This is a serious detox mask, but y'all, I need it. I can't even lie. I'm gonna just jump right into it. We don't need no explanation. You see my hair. It has so much stuff in it, like I can't even explain or describe. It needs to be cleaned, and that's exactly what we're gonna do. So I have my clay and I have my spray bottle, and let's just get right to it. So I'm gonna start with this first part right here. Y'all, my hair is so full of product, build up, just all kind of everything. I just want to just wet it as well as I can. Just do a little bit of light detangling. My goal is just to make sure that the clay gets on every strand from the root and then going down to the ends. If what I have in my jar is not, y'all, why? Every time I go to film, I don't care if I'm upstairs, downstairs, what room I'm in, the outside noise just follows me. If it's not somebody screaming and hollering inside the house, it's people doing construction work in a residential neighborhood. So just excuse all of the noise, because it's no way that I can edit all of that stuff out. I'm just gonna wet my hair really well and then apply the clay. I thought about using gloves and stuff like that, but no. And before I even do anything at all, my hair is shedding. The loose hairs are coming out by the gouge, but I haven't done anything to my hair in probably a week and a half, so I'm expecting to see a good amount of shedding. I'm gonna apply this first part to this section, and then we'll speed through the rest. Oh, it is very creamy. It feels good. And you might not see like the exact whole application just because of the activated charcoal. You know, it's giving it that dark gray color. But trust me, I am getting it on every strand. And like I said, I really want to concentrate on the roots to make sure that's covered. And then I'll go down the length of the strands to the ends. And I can already tell that I'm going to have to add water just to help to smooth the mask through my hair. And it's not even so much the clay, it's all of the other stuff that I have in my hair. See my hands? This is very messy. So anytime you use just clay, period, but if you use activated charcoal, just know that it will stain, you know, everything. Not, well, really not stain, because if you saw my video where I did my charcoal face mask, I mean, obviously I don't have any remnant charcoal still on my face, but you know, temporarily that charcoal will it'll be heavy on whatever it touches. So just be mindful with that. You might want to use gloves. You might want to use like a towel or a tarp. I actually have my tarp right here. I don't want to touch it because now my hands is full of charcoal. And I was thinking about that, but then I just decided not to, because that was going to be something else I had to clean. For the condition that my hair is in, I do not recommend detangling, but it is because of the condition of my hair. This clay is very smooth, and as long as you keep it moist, you may be able to get a detangling tool through, but that's not my goal today at all. My goal is to get the clay on every strand. I'm not even trying to detangle. That will come at a later step. I think I got hair in my eye, y'all. All right. I'll just apply a little bit more water. And be careful when you're adding water. Be careful to the amount of water that you add, because you still don't want the clay to be so loose that it start dripping down everywhere. See, like it's doing. So just be careful. No, I'm not gonna waste a drop. No. All right. So from what I can tell, I believe I have every strand in this section covered. I am just going to twist this up. And now if it feels like I don't have clay in a section, I'm gonna add more, because I really want to get like everything covered. My hair really needs this. I kept saying, okay, today is the day, today is the day, today is the day. And y'all, that was like at least a week and a half, maybe even 2 weeks. So, and all in between that time, I had been, adding gel and, leave-ins and stuff like that, just to have my hair at least be halfway decent if I had to leave out the house. Obviously just ponytails and buns, but it still had to look halfway decent. So just want to make sure I get every little thing. All right, that's this section. And now I'm just gonna speed through the rest. I'm about halfway through and I have this much left, which is not going to be enough for the rest of my head. I also have this amount on a spoon, but that's not going to be enough. So I'm going to use what I have in here, and then I'll just go ahead and make some more. So I have pretty much used up all of it, so I just need to make a little bit more for this last section, and then I'll go over all sections with a little bit more of the detox mask. I have about this much left. I'm gonna go in and use it to touch up a couple other areas. To me, this is not enough to save, you know, for another day, so I'm just gonna add it all in. I'm gonna let this sit in for about 30 more minutes, rinse it out, and then I'll show you how my hair looks when I get back. All going. All right, I'm back. I let the clay sit in my hair for about, I'm gonna say maybe 35 or 40 minutes. Then I got in the shower and rinsed it out. As you can tell by my shirt, this is a very messy process. The activated charcoal just makes it seem that much messier, but it's the same thing as, you know, all clays. The stuff gets everywhere, and so you either need to be in the shower or just prepare your environment to get clay all over the place. So this is my hair rinsed out with no product in it at all. It feels so much better. Normally I would shampoo my hair before the clay, but I just wanted to see how well it worked with all of the stuff that I had in my hair. And it has worked very well. As I was making my DIY products from that Ayurvedic oil that I made, if I had extra or I spilled some or whatever, I just put it all in my hair. So I have all kind of stuff like mixed up in my hair, in addition to all of the products that I had used, you know, for like the week and change before. So I had a lot of stuff in my hair. But using the clay, even without shampooing first, my hair feels so much better. That's all I have for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please remember to like, comment, subscribe, click the notifications bell, and share with everybody you know. Until next time, bye.